I am working with the Oshun Pouch today. I wanted to try out this new sustainable mechanic. It is a compostable and biodegradable material, and it's filled with kind of like a moist soil type material, so it's pretty cool. The membrane is a compostable outer layer, so I thought, since it was pretty narrow, that I would add some chicken wire and then zip tie it up. The chicken wire helps the flowers kind of fight gravity, gives them a little more structure to work with. So that's what I decided to do. I could double them up next time. I might try that. But for right now, I went ahead and started adding my flowers. I wanted to make sure I didn't poke through the backside of the membrane. So I wanted to make sure I only inserted the flowers, maybe like a half an inch or a little bit over that. And they all went in really smoothly. I did not have to use the skewer to insert any of these flowers. I didn't have to pre-puncture any holes, which was great. I did break one dahlia. You can see it there. I went ahead and just used it next to the candle on my sign-in table. So if you break a flower, you don't have to worry about that. I would highly recommend giving these a try. I think it does depend on the types of flowers, making sure it's really hydrated, and really only using it for day of events. It's not really made to be used for arrangements that are made several days ahead of time. But you can get them at newagefloral.com. They're called the Oshun Pouch. And you can read the whole review on my blog at EveryStem.com. And I really enjoyed it. I would definitely use them again.